Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are going to continue our work on previous code. This is what we already done. This is index.html, the JavaScript file, and the result was this. This was an object created with literal notation. And this is the code. First we are going to change, this is part 6, and say the link to JavaScript file is going to stay, and now we are going to work in JavaScript. One part of this code is already good, and we are not going to change this part of code, this part of code, and this part of code. We are going to change just way of creating an object. This was literal notation, and now we are going to use constructor notation to create an object. First we need to change variable hotel is equal to new object. This is a way to create a new object, and this is an empty object with name hotel. Now we are going to assign values to this object. That we are going to do with hotel.name and then equal to value. The same method we are going to use and for other values assigned to this object. Hotel.rooms is equal to 45, then hotel.booked is equal to 15, hotel.room types is equal to array of some values, and then hotel.checkAvailability is equal to function, and that's it. This is type of creating an object with constructor notation, and only different is about creating an object. The rest is the same. Then we create variable with name hotel name, we retrieve that value, name of hotel, then total rooms, we retrieve that value, rooms booked, that value, and then we create a loop that will show all values from array. After that we check is there available rooms in hotel, and then we show all values with document write in browser. Now we are going to reload our web page, and the result is same as the last time, but the way of creating an object is only different. This is all for this part, and next time we are going to create an access object with constructor notation. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.